Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to complete our digital documentation part third. And in this section, we are going to learn about mail merge. Right? Something about this topic we have already read in class 9th, but still, let's have a look what is a mail merge. In OpenOffice Writer, it provides very useful feature to create and print what we can print multiple copies of a document to send to a list of different recipients, mailing labels and envelopes. Means what we got from here, it means mail merge is a feature. It is also available in MS Word and in OpenOffice, in LibreOffice, everywhere it is available. But what is the actual benefit of it? Suppose I have written a letter, right? Suppose invitation of a birthday party, and I want to send same letter to 100 persons. Then do I have to create 100 copies of that letter, or I have to write that letter 100 times, or her letter pe I have to write address of the recipient? Fine. So using the mail merge, it minimize that type of work. Means we have to create only one copy of the actual letter and one document with the address details, means recipient's detail to whom we want to send the letters, right? That after that, this mail merge feature, it merge both the documents. Here I have shown you that mail merge has two main parts. First is called main document. Main document means the actual letter which will be same for each and every recipients. फाइन, लेटर तो सेम है, उस पर एड्रेस ही चेंज होगा, रिसिपेंट्स का नेम ही चेंज होता है, राइट? तो दैट लेटर विल बी कॉल्ड मेन डॉक्यूमेंट. एंड सेकेंड मेन डॉक्यूमेंट इज डेटा सोर्स. दिस डेटा सोर्स इज नथिंग, ओनली अ कलेक्टिव डिटेल ऑफ ऑल द रिसिपेंट्स. सपोज आपने 100 रिसिपेंट्स, 100 इन्वाइटीज को भेजना है लेटर, देन द 100 invitees details in a file, that document will be called data source. Fine. ये दोनों डॉक्यूमेंट अलग अलग हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं. देन मेल मर्ज फीचर मर्ज बोथ द डॉक्यूमेंट. लेटर वही रहेगा सेम, उस पर एक एक करके सबका एड्रेस आता जाएगा एंड इट विल क्रिएट सेवरल कॉपीज इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स. फाइन. दिस इज व्हाट एक्चुअली मेल मर्ज डू. Now how to create a data source? मैंने अभी बताया what is a data source. It's just a database containing the name and address records from which a mailing list may be derived. Means to whom we have to mail, we have to send the letter, the name and address of all those persons in a file, that is called a data source. Although you can create and print mailing labels and envelopes without using a data source. Means it's not a compulsion that we will create a data source. Without creating on the spot, they can be created. We will do, or we will learn both the types, right? First of all, let's see. I have already created in Excel. Here you can see title, heading I have given title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, district, pin code and state. Fine. These details I have entered for 5 recipients entry. तो आप जिसको भी आपने भेजना, अगर आपके पास 100 इन्वाइटीज हैं तो 100 डिटेल्स आप डालेंगे. फाइन. जो जो चीज़ें आपके पास हैं यू कैन पुट हेयर. एंड आफ्टर दैट एक चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है, वाइल सेविंग दिस फाइल you have to save this file from here, save as type में you will select CSV comma delimited. Okay, the format of this file will be CSV, right? Only this thing you have to take care and save this file and take care that where you are saving. Right now I am saving this file at the desktop, right? Fine. I have saved it. Now let me close it. Done. Next is select starting document. Means how main document which we will create for the mail merge. Right, here I have typed few lines. You can see a format of letter I have already prepared here. You are cordially invited to my birthday party on this date at this time along with, and whatever you want. I have just drawn the simple lines assuming that it's a letter proper. Thank you, yours loving ABC Sharma. Right, this letter I have prepared. After that, let's see what our slide is saying. For starting mail merge, we will use mail merge wizard, and for moving to mail merge wizard we have to click on tools menu, and as we'll start with the wizard, it will ask that select your starting document. कहाँ से start कर रहे हैं? Here it is giving us so many options that you can use the current document, you can create a new document, you can use any template which already you have created, and you can use an existing document. Whatever your option is available, let us do. Right now we have created a letter here, so it means our current document we will use. So we'll click on tools menu and then click on mail merge wizard. Right, this is the selecting starting document. Got it? Then here what we will do, we will select that which document we are going to use as main document. Current document, any new or the existing one, or any template. We are using the current document. Right, then click on next. After that, let's move to our slide. What it is saying, it is saying select document type. What type of document? Wizard can produce letters or any mail message also. Fine, right now हम letters पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो from our document we will select letter. Right, then click on next. Now after that, selecting the data source. Data source हमने बनाई थी अभी एक फाइल बनाई थी ना. Then for this file one thing is left. Let me open the writer's new document. ठीक है, एक नया document खोला मैंने. Fine, here what I am telling you right now, the data source means .csv file which you have saved that needs authorization. How that can be done? Go to file menu, click on wizard, and here you can see address data source. Got it? Click on this, and here you will select other external data source. Click on next. You can click on settings and you can select what type of database. We have not created any database, we have created spreadsheet, है ना, हमने तो simple sheet बनाई है एक. Then click on next. Then here it is asking that path of your spreadsheet. हमारी spreadsheet desktop पे, and here the name of our spreadsheet is data source. अभी हमने बनाई ना, सेव की अभी. Click on open. Done. Now click on test connection. It's compulsory beta, है ना. When you will get successfully, then it means this file is connected. Now click on finish. After finishing, again click on next. Now here it is asking you can name your data source as a database. Now it is available, right? Suppose we put a name of, what should I give? Let me name it data underscore source. Right, ये नाम दिया मैंने, and I want to save it at desktop only. Got it? Desktop पे save कर दिया, and this is the name of the address book name. जो भी नाम आप देना चाहें that you can give, and click on finish. बस हमें ये ध्यान रखना है हमने किस नाम से सेव किया है. डाटा सोर्स के नाम से. इस डॉक्यूमेंट का कोई काम नहीं है, वी कैन क्लोज इट. फाइन. what we did, just we created a data source, means एक एक्सेल में एड्रेस की डिटेल्स हमने बनाई थी. आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग those details you can authorize that data with the same process जो हमने अभी किया. फाइन, डन. Now selecting the data source, we can do, this is the most complex step in the wizard. In this step we'll do three things. We will tell the wizard that which data source we are going to use, fine, or we can select different address block for our document, and we should have to make sure that all match correctly. Now let's go back to our main document. हम यहाँ इस step पे आए थे. Here you can see select address list. Just click on this and here you will see different databases name. जो भी database बनाए होंगे, अभी just we have saved our CSV फाइल को हमने ऑथोराइज किया and we named that data underscore source. आप जो भी नाम देंगे, जो भी अपनी data source की फाइल को whatever ABC XYZ whatever you can give the name, while authorization the name you will give to your address book, that name will appear here. This is our address book, fine. We can click on it, fine, and click on OK, fine. जो भी आपके एड्रेस बुक में नाम होंगे all will appear here. Got it? In this address book, if anything you don't want from here, click on more, and here you can select the type in which you want to enter your address detail. अगर कोई particular format अच्छा लगता है, then select that format and click on OK, fine. Got it? But right now you can, and you can also edit it, fine. Suppose I want to edit it, address line 2 was also there, fine, and state is not there, so we can edit it here. Along with the address line 1 we can add address line 2. Click on this arrow, you can see here it is. Got it? And instead of district, we don't want this district, this one I would like to delete. And before zip हमने एक और ले रखा है, let me, here I would like to enter district, right? हमने बना रखा है ये. Got it? Done. Now click on OK. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है, which you like, that you can do, and click on OK, fine. Got it? Now from here, suppose हमने वो data source बनाया ही नहीं होता, then what we can do? Click on this option. If you have created your database, or you can say address book or data source, then the name of that data source will appear here. But suppose if you have not created, then here you will get the option of create. These all details are there. Just mention the detail. ठीक है, मैं एक सैम्पल करके दिखा रही हूँ आपको. Suppose I want only these three things. Click on OK, right? It will ask you to save. Right now I am not saving because we have already selected. And after saving again it will ask, यहाँ 1 की जगह 2 हो जाएगा, 3 4 5 6 7, as many records you will enter, that will create your new address book automatically, fine. This is how we can create here without creating any data source or CSV file. Okay, I am just cancelling it. Done. This is done. Now here match fields are there. We have to match the fields. Like here Mr. is title Samir Khan, this is company name, this is address line 1 and 2, this is state. City हमने ली ही नहीं है, fine. Got it? This is state. Done, right? If everything is okay, it is showing here you can match. जितने भी 5 या 6 आपने रिकॉर्ड डाले हैं, all will appear here. This is your address book preview. If your all details are matching with your data, then it's okay, fine. सब चीज़ें हो गई. Now from here we can see that here documents record 1, record 2, record 3, all are visible here. Fine. Now you can see from here we have selected the name of address book which we have saved, and from here more options by selecting on new, or if any of the block is suitable for us, that we can check from here, or from if we don't like any of the format from here, then from new we'll get all the options here, just whatever we want to include in our address. Click on title, then this arrow, then after title one space we want to give, then first name, then again one space we want to give, then last name, then come to next line, then company name, then again next line. Like that we can create our own block. Right now we have created this block. Fine. Then click on OK. After that, while matching fields, you have to check that whether title, this is the title correct or not, first name is correct, last name is correct. Fine. If anything is not visible, suppose in city I have selected district. Fine, because any district option was not available, then I thought that in my data the address district was there, that's why we can put it here. Fine. And zip, for zip I have selected pin code. All the names of title which you have included in your address book, those will be visible here. Right. After that, click on OK. Then here your data will be visible. You can check all the data, 4 or 5 addresses I have included, all those are. If OK, then click on next. Now let's move back to our presentation, what our presentation is saying here. Next is create salutation. Salutation means it's the initial greetings. For example, dear Mr. Jones, hello ma'am, respected teachers. Fine. Respected Mr. Dash, whatever the salutation you want to give, that we can decide from here. Now let's see this document. If you don't want any salutation, then just click on next, but if you want, then click here, and here you can see dear Mrs. or last name Mrs. Sharma, Mr. Ghosh, whatever. If you have entered Mrs., then it will include that in the title, and if you have added Mr., then it will take that for male. It's showing all that. Fine. And if you want to insert any personalized salutation, then here we can also type whatever we want. Right. Fine. That's okay. Then click on next. Right now I don't want any personalized, that's why I have done that. Now here you can see a preview of the body of the address that is shown by merging with your document. Right. Here you can set that at the upper part. You can see salutation is coming up and down. Here you can see. So we can set the salutation up and down. Right. And here the address body we can set up and down. You can see it's going on. From here it can be settled up, and if the position of salutation as well as the address body, if that is fine with you, then click on next. Right. Now let's get back to PPT first. It's saying adjust layout, that I have just told you that we can adjust the position of the address block and salutation block on the page. We have done that. If that is okay, then we have to click on next again. Now after that, edit document and insert extra fields. Means if you have another here you will get another opportunity to exclude particular recipient from the mail merge. We can also edit the body of the document. सबसे मेन चीज़, सपोज लेटर पहले तैयार ही नहीं किया, ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट में स्टार्ट कर दिया था, तो नाउ यू गेट अगेन चांस टू क्रिएट योर मेन डॉक्यूमेंट. If you started with a blank document, now again we can do that. Let's see what that does here. Fine. Here it is asking that suppose we have entered 5 or 6 recipients name, and if any case is there you don't want to send a particular person, fine. तो suppose मुझे 1 को नहीं भेजना है, first recipient whosoever is there I don't want to send, तो exclude this recipient, means your letter will not be sent to the recipient number 1, fine. But right now I don't want to do this, that's why exclude this recipient. Now here you will get edit document option, means suppose in previously while starting mail merge you have not written your letter, then now you can do that. Here you can see because we have already created our letter, fine, that's why it's visible to us, got it. And here I think वो next page पे चला गया, that's why let's do a little setting. Whatever the editing you want in your letter, I am just doing the setting of placement, positioning. Now you can see all things. I think we don't want to do any changes, fine. ये दिखा रहा है पहला recipient ये, second ये, third ये, four ये, fine, हो गया. Again let's move again. अगर letter type नहीं किया then you can complete right now, okay. And if done then return to mail merge, वापस वहीं आ गए हम. Now next is personalized document. OpenOffice creates all your letters one per recipient. Clicking on the edit individual document button to see the difference is that you now edit a long file. How? Means next, click on next, fine. After clicking on next, now your individual documents are there. Suppose 5 recipient hai, 4 recipient hai, now it will create 4 different documents. Let's see, from here you can see edit individual document. You can see, look, ये first letter, ये second letter हमने एक ही बनाया था ना, automatically it is created. Third, fourth, and this is the fifth one with proper address जो आपने दिए थे. Let me make it enlarged. I am just making it enlarged, right. You can see, look, proper address block is placed, proper dear Mr. Khan, proper salutation is there, everything is there, isn't it very good. And now if you want to do any personalized, suppose ये मेरे बहुत close हैं, तो dear whatever you want to add, और इसको ये मेरा दुश्मन है, I don't want to write dear with this, fine, तो we can remove it from here. Means as these are called personalized settings. Means 5 के लिए मैंने same किया, लेकिन हो सकता है one of them is something different, so that we can do here. Got it? Now let's move again. Click here, return to again mail merge. Same वहीं आ गए. Now what's next? Save, print or send. The last step of mail merge. Here we have completed our mail merge process. यही सीखा था हमने, एक मेन डॉक्यूमेंट होगा, एक एड्रेस बुक होगी, दोनों को मर्ज करके प्रॉपर लेटर्स विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड. बन गए लेटर हमने अभी देखे. नाउ वी कैन सेव द ओरिजिनल सैम्पल लेटर्स एंड सेव द मर्ज्ड डॉक्यूमेंट, प्रिंटेड लेटर्स, फाइन. We can probably want to save the starting document. Means हम starting document भी save कर सकते हैं, merged document भी save कर सकते हैं. Fine. How that can be done? Let's see. Again back to the same here. And suppose मेरे 100 letters हैं और कोई particular मुझे ढूंढना है, मिस्टर खान 90 नंबर पे लेटर है, तो स्क्रॉल करते करते परेशान हो जाऊंगी. तो here you can type खान and just find. तो सेम वही पर्सनलाइज लेटर खुलना है, राइट. क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. नाउ लास्ट स्टेप आ गया. फर्स्ट सेव द स्टार्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. अगर आपने ये सेव करना है देन सेव स्टार्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, ठीक है. ये आपसे सेव का ऑप्शन मांगेगा. यू हैव टू जस्ट एंटर द फाइल नेम एंड दैट विल बी सेव्ड. गॉट इट. आफ्टर दैट सेव द मर्ज्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. क्लिक करते ही वो सेव हो गया. देन सेव द मर्ज्ड डॉक्यूमेंट मीन्स जो मर्ज हमने अभी देखा, 5 letters were created. If you want to save that as single document means सब के सब एक ही फाइल में, मेरे 5 लेटर सेम फाइल में. In that form if you want to save then click here. If all the letters you want to save as individual document, अलग अलग 5 फाइलें बनेंगी. For that यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट कि आपको फर्स्ट करना है कि नहीं करना, तो लेट स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम 2, और इफ़ यू वांट ऑल देन 1 to 5. क्लिक ऑन सेव डॉक्यूमेंट, राइट. सपोज मैंने क्लिक किया ऑन द डेस्कटॉप, सपोज मैंने नाम दिया लेटर 1, राइट. saved, it is just saving is done. Now if you want to print the merged document, then it will ask the name of the printer if you have the printer attached, and it will ask from where to where you want to ask, और by default print all documents जितने भी हैं. नहीं तो merged document आपके 5 हैं, तो 1 to 5 click on print document, the document will be printed, right. And next is send merged document as email. If the merged document नहीं print करने हमने VR paper से भी, then directly we can mail our document by clicking on this option also. Here by default we can write down the subject of our mail, fine, and just send all documents and click on send document, the same will be sent, right. Basically we use this one or this option, these two options we used to use, fine. If it is done, then click on finish. Otherwise this file is merged letters and these are with us, हमारे साथ हैं, कभी भी आप प्रिंट कर लो. Now let me show you जो हमने सेव किए हैं डेस्कटॉप पे. Let's move to desktop. This is my desktop and you can see we have saved letter 1, है ना. Letter 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, these all are by default created because हमने सब इंडिविजुअल सेव का ऑप्शन क्लिक किया था. फाइन, 5 लेटर्स थे तो 5 अलग अलग लेटर बन गए. चलो कोई एक ओपन करके देखते हैं. Here you can see इंडिविजुअल, एक फाइल में एक ही लेटर मिलेगा. तो एवरी सेटिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन अस व्हाट वी एक्चुअली वांट, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट इज प्रिंटिंग मेलिंग लेबल्स. लेबल्स मीन्स व्हाट, जो एक पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस ब्लॉक है फॉर एवरीवन. व्हाट इज अ लेबल, लेट मी शो यू दिस कंप्लीट. ये कंप्लीट एक, दिस इज कॉल्ड अ लेबल. हेयर व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, the personal individual address for every recipient of your letter, that is a label, right. Now how we can print only labels, let me open a new file. Right now I have opened the new file and I am closing the older one, right. For printing labels, अब क्यों print करने हैं भाई, right now we have created letters only, fine. And now we want to post those letters to all the recipients. तो it means envelope पे भी labels मीन्स एड्रेस लिखना पड़ेगा ना, नाम लिखना पड़ेगा, एड्रेस लिखना पड़ेगा. बट वो एड्रेस हमारे पास रेडी है, सब कुछ रेडी है, ओनली वी हैव टू प्रिंट. नाउ व्हाट टू डू फॉर दैट, लेट्स सी. चूज फाइल, न्यू एंड लेबल्स. देन अ डायलॉग बॉक्स विल ओपन. फ्रॉम दैट डायलॉग बॉक्स 3 tabs will be there. Option tab, label tab, fine. From there we just have to do some settings. All these I have detailed here, but I'll tell you practically side by side, okay. Let me make it little smaller. Go to file, click on new, and from here click on labels, right. Here first tab we have got here. Let me remove everything whatever from. Now we can see that in the label dialog box, from here we have to select the name of the database, the name of the table. Automatically that table of that specific database will appear, and here all the fields which your address book includes, that will appear here, right. And what you want to print for your envelope, means in the label whatever you want to include. Suppose I want to include title first, title आ गया. Then 1 space I'll give, then first name, that I'll include here is, and after that last name. हो गया include. Now next line I have pressed enter. In that I'll include company name, comma लगाया from the keyboard, then 1 space, and address line 1 I will include, okay. Then enter. Then address line 2 I would like to include, click on the arrow included. Now comma, one space, after that district name. Fine, done. Now press enter from keyboard. Means this is our personal setting. हम एड्रेस में हर चीज़ नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखना चाह रहे हैं और whatever we want that we can include. Right, now after district we can include state. Right, और state के बाद में dash लगा के I want to include pin code. Done. I think it's clear. After that, from here, brand and type we can include whatever the type you want to add from here. But for this, how this can be done, I have to move to this option tab. Here you will click on entire tab and synchronize contents. Means all the labels they will be printed in a sync. ऐसा नहीं है कि एड्रेस नंबर 1 का डाटा एड्रेस नंबर 2 के साथ मिक्स हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. इफ़ यू नॉट क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन सिंक्रोनाइज कंटेंट्स then it can happen. So be on safe side, just click on this option. Right, after that, format option. Here you have to select what is the height and width of your envelope. Right, अगर envelope बहुत छोटा है तो you can make the size larger or smaller. This is your personalized setting. आपकी height width envelope की कितनी है उसके according ये you can see we can make it less or more, whatever, however we want. How many columns we will include, how many rows we will include for writing address. Got it? After doing all this, click on new document. In the new document you can see this. These are your labels available. Right, दिख रहा है? Labels दिख गए हैं? Right, got it? Now if we want to print, for this click on file and then click on print. It will ask you your document contain address database field. Do you want to print? Yes, we want to print. Here you can see all the addresses. Means यहाँ पर हमें नहीं दिख रहा था हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट में. Fine, here it will take automatically from our database. Right, here you can see all the data are there. Right, जो भी आपको select करना है, और if all the record you want to print, click on all, और कोई particular suppose 1 2 3 I want to print. Right, click on this 3 and click on printer and click on OK. Your file will get printed. Means on the printer set the envelope so that directly on the envelopes the address can got print, or you can save it in a file. If printer is not available, then same as before we have seen, in single document all the addresses you want to save, or individual document you want to create. I want to have all the addresses from 1 to 5 in single document we want to save. Click on OK, and here envelope I can write, ठीक है, and save. The file is saved. Right, done. This is how we can print the envelopes. Right, for printing the same process we have followed. Choose file and print. The message shown appears. We have to click on yes, and after that we have to select the records which we want to print or not, and then we have to click on OK. Now let me show you the file which we have just saved with the name of envelopes. Right, now see, these are the envelopes. वो तो आप envelope का जो size लेंगे. Here you can see, let me make it little smaller. मैं थोड़ा सा छोटा कर रही हूँ. Here address first, second, third, fourth and fifth. This is how your file will be saved, and whenever your printer is available you can print, or directly we can also print. That's we have seen. Right, that's it for now. Thank you and do practice well.